In this video, I'm going to show you how to put a pending order in MT4. Now to do this, you want to go to the top and you want to click on the new order. And of course, you want to select your symbol that you want to trade as well as your volume. You can add a stop loss and take profit. That's optional. And of course, you also have an optional comment for your order over here. Then where it says type, you want to switch from instant execution to a pending order. And when you actually do this, as you can see, you can then select the pending order type. You have buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, or sell stop. Select the one that you want to do, select the at price over here, and then you can also select the expiration by clicking a check mark over here, and you can go and basically set your date over here. If I do, for example, the 2nd of July 2026, you could also go and change the time over here if you want to, like that. And when you're ready, just hit the place button over here. It's gonna be either red or blue, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.